Oriental Mindoro Representative Alfonso Umali Jr. paid tribute to his brother, former Oriental Mindoro Representative Rey Umali, in this Facebook post. Rey died of cardiac arrest after testing positive for COVID-19. He was also diagnosed with liver cancer. Rey served as 2nd District Representative of Oriental Mindoro for 3 consecutive terms from 2010 to 2019. He ran for governor in 2019 but lost to then Vice Governor Humerlito Dolor. When he was a lawmaker, Rey had been the chairman of the Committee on Justice. He led the investigation against Senator Leila de Lima and the impeachment case against former Supreme Court Chief Justice Maria Lourdes Sereno.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.